that feel illegal but actually aren't. Hello, my name is Oliver and welcome to episode 94 of the 100 Day Upload series, where I'm uploading every single day for the first 100 days of 2026. Things that feel illegal but aren't. First of all, this video is completely dedicated to the UK and I have loads of bullet points here on my computer which I'm gonna go through because I'm sure a lot of you guys will be interested. Some of them I'll blast through and some of them I will break down a little more. But before we get into it, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe if you're new, hit the bell notification and comment down below your favourite type of fish. What is your favourite type of fish? Let me know in the comments below because I do really want to know. Right, to start off the list, taking photos of buildings from public land. That's not illegal. Filming the police officers in public. Completely legal. You can do that if you want. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to unless you've been confronted by them or something, but yeah, go for it. Owning CCTV cameras and pointing at your own property. There's absolutely nothing illegal about that. I've done that in the past. Walking around with a large amount of cash. There's nothing illegal about that, but it might feel illegal. In fact, you might get robbed if it's evident, so maybe don't do that one anyway. Carrying tools like screwdrivers and hammers during the day. To be honest with you, I do that sometimes. I've always got something like that in the car as well. So there's nothing illegal about that. Even if they might be considered a weapon, they're not. Buying a property and leaving it empty. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my other channel, Scoria, go check that out. But, you know, buying a property and leaving it empty, there's nothing illegal about that, but adverse possession is a big worry, so just be cautious with that. Next point is sitting in your car with the engine running. Nothing illegal about that. Done that tons of times, especially when I was homeless to warm myself up. Sleeping in your car in most places. Again, I've slept in my car everywhere. There's nothing illegal about that. Recording phone calls you are a part of. Nothing illegal about that. Just go and record your phone calls. I think a lot of people, I think iPhones actually have that feature now installed. Just always record your phone calls because safety issues. Being naked in your own home, even visible through windows. That's strange, isn't it? I sometimes wonder if I'm the naked neighbour. If you don't know that theory, then one of your neighbours is always naked, and if you've never seen one of your neighbours naked through the windows, then it's probably you. And I may have had that issue by leaving the curtains there open, and I'm pretty sure some people in the flats over there saw me, which is always embarrassing. Swearing in public, nothing illegal about that. A lot of people can get angry about that, but there is nothing illegal whatsoever. Refusing to answer police questions beyond basic details. Nothing illegal about that whatsoever. A lot of people who fly drones, obviously they usually do that from public land anyway, and they usually go through this sort of stuff. I've seen the videos online. Standing still in public doing nothing. Feels strange, doesn't it? Just imagine just like walking down the path and just standing still. Nothing illegal about that. It might feel strange, but it's not illegal. Watching people in public places. As long as it's not harassment, obviously. Nothing illegal about that. People watching is a big hobby of a lot of people. Taking notes about people in public. Again, people watching. Maybe you like someone's dress and you want to get one for yourself. Personally, a nice dress would suit me. That's a joke, but yeah. Using binoculars in public. Again, it might seem creepy, but it's not illegal. So if you want to go do that, go for it. Walking around at night with your hood up. Is there anything illegal about this? No. Could you be stopped by the police for suspicious behaviour? Potentially. You don't have to give them many details though. Huzzah! Being unemployed. Nothing illegal about being unemployed whatsoever, but doing nothing with your life does feel illegal. Not owning a TV licence. If you don't own a TV licence, let me know in the comments below. Nothing illegal about that. If you don't watch live TV or BBC iPlayer, obviously, which is part of it. I think I got a TV licence letter through the post a few months ago, and I think at the bottom it said in England they're not going to do anything. So just think about that one. Carrying a knife for work with a valid reason. You know, if you're a butcher, go for it. If you work with wood carvings and stuff, go for it. If you're decapitating bodies and putting them in a freezer, probably not a valid reason. Buying land and not using it. Again, it can be led for adverse possession, but yeah, nothing illegal about that. Sitting on the floor in a shop. I used to own a shop and I used to sit on the floor quite a lot in there. Nothing illegal about that whatsoever. Entering a shop and leaving without buying anything. Now that one does feel illegal, and I have done it a lot when you're looking for specific items, you can't find it. I'm always like, oh, security are going to stop me. But I've started making a joke about it. Every time I walk out, I just go beep, 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 just as a joke. It's a bit strange, but I think just making a joke of it means that you're not, and I wasn't. So, paying in cash for large purchases. Nothing illegal about that. I mean, if you're buying a house or something, there could be some potential anti-money laundering stuff they might worry, but there's nothing actually illegal about it whatsoever. Lots of places wouldn't accept it. Toyota, I don't think, would accept it, or Aldi or something, I don't think they'd accept it, but potentially other places would. Refusing to open your door to anyone. Nothing illegal about that whatsoever. What happens in your home stays in your home. Not answering the phone. I ignore 95% of my phone calls. Saying no to authority figures, politely obviously. Nothing legal about that. Taking free items outside houses. Always feels weird, doesn't it? Every now and again you see some like free furniture or something, or they might be giving away some free jars of jam. It always feels weird because you feel like people are watching you, but there's nothing legal about it. Taking items left outside houses. Again, same thing. Nothing illegal about it. Knocking on doors, as long as you leave when asked. There's nothing illegal about it. Taking photos of cars, license plates or streets. Nothing illegal. If you want to go just to outside your neighbour's house and just take photos of their license plate to scare them, there is actually nothing illegal about that, so go ham. Wearing a face covering in public. Nothing illegal. We all went through COVID, I assume, unless we've got 4-year-olds watching these videos. Nothing illegal about it. Standing outside your own house, just, when I say standing, I mean just standing there, watching, glaring, staring, nothing illegal about it. Walking through a housing estate, which you don't own. You don't own a property there. If you see some houses, go for it. I've done it loads of times. I've gone to look at houses because I like houses. I like to go on drives and just look at architecture sometimes, so that's always nice. Using a fake name online. There is nothing illegal about that. Whatever anyone says, there's nothing illegal about it. Reading someone else's bin contents once discarded. Yeah. It doesn't matter. Once it's in the bin, it's outside, just go for it. If you want, if you want to go through it and see if they've got banana peels, have fun. Being silent during an argument, not illegal. Some people can call it passive, and if there's anger, they might call the police. But there's nothing illegal about it whatsoever. Leaving a job with no backup plan. Just walking out of a job and stuff, yeah, nothing illegal about that. Not having social media, lots of people don't these days. Not explaining yourself, unless it's the police asking why there's 3 heads in your passenger seat, I think you'll be okay. Not responding to messages, obviously isn't illegal. Sitting alone for hours in public isn't illegal, but if you happen to be sitting opposite a cafe and there is a nice young lady sitting in the cafe, she might be working for like 5 hours just tip-tapping on her laptop. And if you're just sitting there like this, she might call the police. I don't know from experience, but I think I would if someone was staring at me for 5 hours. Asking someone how much they earn. I know a lot of jobs don't like that, but nothing illegal about it whatsoever. You can't put that in a contract. Talking about money openly. I love talking about money openly. It's the right thing to do. I think everyone should understand finance and money. Nothing illegal about it whatsoever. Refusing to make eye contact. The police might ask you to make eye contact. A lot of people can't, or don't, or struggle. Nothing illegal about it. Refusing to consent to searches. Anything illegal about it? No. Not signing things immediately. That's not illegal. Asking, can you put that in writing? Honestly, if you can get everything in writing, that's the best thing you can do. I do that all the time. Recording interactions for your own records. Not illegal. Not trusting experts is also not illegal. Doing nothing on purpose. Not participating. Walking away mid-conversation. Again, none of those are illegal. Saying, I don't know. Choosing not to vote. Questioning prices. Paying off debt early. Not having debt at all. Living cheaply on purpose. Again, none of those are illegal. That is your list of things that might feel or seem illegal, but they aren't. In the UK at least. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Has this list surprised me? This list has surprised me. No, not really. Adios. I shall see you guys all tomorrow. Please make sure to like, comment your favourite type of fish, or if any of these surprised you. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications, and send this video to everyone, including your nan. Goodbye for now.